ISTQB Foundation Level, question 497. Under what circumstances would you plan to perform maintenance testing? 1. Planned database upgrade. 2. Migration from one platform to another. 3. Modifications of hardware. 4. Retirement of a system. Answers: A. 1, 2, 3. B. 2, 3, 4. C. 1, 2, 4. D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. If you find value in that I do and my videos help you, then you have the option to donate through the links in the video description to I can release new videos on ISTQB questions on a regular basis. Let's look at all the statements from 1 to 4 according to ISTQB Syllabus. Statement 1 is true. A database upgrade can introduce changes to data structures, queries, or performance. Maintenance testing ensures that the system continues to function correctly after the upgrade. Statement 2 is true. Platform migration, e.g. moving from Windows to Linux or on-premises to cloud, can impact software compatibility, configuration, and performance. Maintenance testing validates that the system works correctly in the new environment. Statement 3 is true. Hardware changes, such as increasing RAM, upgrading processors, or changing network components, can affect system performance. Maintenance testing ensures the system remains stable and efficient on the new hardware. Statement 4 is true. When a system is decommissioned, data needs to be archived and retrieved correctly. Maintenance testing ensures data migration, backup, and retrieval processes work properly. In summary, all 4 options require maintenance testing to verify that changes do not negatively impact the system. This aligns with ISTQB principles on modifications, migrations, and retirements as triggers for maintenance testing. Thus, all of the above leads us to the correct answer D. 1, 2, 3, 4. My recommendation: please remember triggers of maintenance testing to pass STFL exam. Explanation. Finally, let's look at the section 2.3 maintenance testing in the ISTQB syllabus, where we can see that the triggers for maintenance and maintenance testing can be classified as follows: modifications, option 3. Upgrades or migrations of the operational environment, such as from one platform to another, option 2. Or tests of data conversion, option 1. Retirement, option 4. This is consistent with the correct answer D. 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe in your hard working and thank to watching my video channel to pass ISTQB Certified Tester Foundation Level exam. Never give up!